Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you and your family members are doing good because that is the most important thing, and for rest we are here to talk. So we were following our pattern wise DSS sheet, and in this we were doing linked list topic. Pattern is reversal pattern, and today we'll do the next question, which is rotate list, and here you have to use the circular linked list concept. Here the reversal technique or reversal logic will not be used actually. So let's read the problem statement. The problem says, as you can see the linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will be given integer k, and you have to rotate it. If k will be 1, it means the last node from the linked list will get removed and get attached to the very first of the node. So as you can see, after rotation of 1, this will become 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after second rotation 4 will come at the top or in front, so then it will become 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So this we have to do. Now let's see the constraint. The constraint says the number of nodes will be 0 to 500. So anyhow the number of nodes are less, so we can think about it. And anyhow, you know that in linked list we mostly do solutions either brute force or optimize in the linear approach. So we don't need to take care or worry about the TLE. In this case, for sure you will not get TLE. How I said that? Because we know beyond 10 power 8 there is a chance of getting TLE, and beyond 10 power 9 though for sure. If you still have doubt, you can check out the time and space complexity video. I'll attach the link somewhere here. So when we see k is an integer, right? So it says it can go for 2 into 10 power 9. Wait, number of nodes are 500, and if it asks do 1000 rotation or do 10 power 9 means in million billion rotations, is it possible? Means for sure you know now we have to take some modulo operations. Yes, okay. So let's see what we have to do. Suppose the length is 5 and I have asked you for 6 rotation, means after 1 rotation 5 will come here, correct? After 2 rotation 4 will come here, correct? After 3 will come here. After 2 will go in front, and 1 will go in front. So again after 5 rotation it will become like this, and 6 rotation 5 will come here. So if you do not take modulo at 2 into 10 power 9, make sure if you do not take, and these many k operations or rotations if you will do, then time complexity will become 2 into 10 power 9, and for sure this will give you TLE. Because you know beyond 10 power 8 operations it becomes risky, and at 10 power 9 so for sure it will give us TLE. So hence when we already know that the number of nodes are less than the k, then we have to apply modulo, right? Means when k was 6, we know na ki modulo 6 means 1. So k is equal to 1, or k is equal to 6, or k is equal to 11, or k is equal to 16. All results to 1 rotation, means this is for 1, modulo 5 this is 1, modulo 5 this is 1, modulo 5 this is 1, correct? So instead of doing 16 operations, means 16 rotations or 11 rotations, only 1 was enough to give you answer. So hence that k where it says na it will go till 10 power 9 when you will take modulo on what? Length of the linked list, okay, length of linked list, then the k will become less than equal to 500, okay, and then the time complexity will become O of 500, because only O of 500 max condition you will take the rotations, right? So this is the optimized approach. But even if it is 500, can you do the rotation? Let's see with space and without space. Okay, suppose we have list. So in list we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we already did this question in our previous array topic, right, where we have to rotate the values. So what we did, this is our list and we created a new list, let's say rotate. So in rotate what we did, what is like how many rotations is asked? 2. What is this index? 0. So let's initialize with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so at I plus k modulo n we will insert. But what? 1 is here. After 2 rotation, 1 is supposed to be inserted at, currently it is at 0 location, so 0 plus 2, 2. So at second index we will insert. So at second index we will insert 1. Similarly, 1 plus 2. Why 1? Because 1 is the index for 2 node, correct? And 2 node is supposed to be inserted at third index. So here we will insert 2, similarly here 3. Now for 4 what is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, correct? So I means 3 plus k means 2, 5, and you know only till 4 index we have. So where is 5? So 5, what is the n? N is length. 5 modulo 5, 0 means 4 is supposed to be inserted at 0th location. So by using this formula, we will insert 4 here and 5 here, and at the end we will return this rotate list. But this is when we have to do the rotation in list. How to do in linked list? See, read the values, put in the list, very simple, and then create the rotate array and then do this rotation by using this formula here in the rotate array. Now can I say rotate array is our answer, but we have to do this in linked list? Yes, very simple. Now we will start the current as alias and we will keep reading the value and override this 4, now with 5, now with 1, now with 2, now with 3, and done. We will return the same head. Very simple. But the time and space complexity is the main problem here. Why? Because you have taken 2 extra spaces, means O of 2n, to solve this problem, correct? Anyhow, in this case it will get submitted because the number of nodes are also very small. And time complexity, if we talk about, first O of n time complexity to read the value from the linked list and put in the list. Done. Now further O of n to rotate the values and put in the rotate array, O of 2n. Now further O of n to override these values. So O of 3n. Anyhow, the number of nodes are 500. So O of 1500 is not so greater than 500. So it will be faster only. Space will be 2n because of list and rotate array. Okay. But this is the brute force code. Before going for the optimized approach, I want to show you the code. So here is the code what we have discussed, but as you can see the number of nodes are 0, so it is very important to write the base case. What if the node is not here, if head is null, or else if head is there but head dot next is not there, means only one node is there. So if only one node is there, then rotation does not matter for it. So hence this is the base case, if your head or head dot next is null, you will return head as it is, or else we'll create the list and make the alias current. Keep running the current until it becomes null and read the values with current dot value and put in the list. Once done, take the size of the list and do the k modulo n on it, correct? If your k becomes 0, it means if k was a multiple of length, means suppose 5 is the length and I have asked you, tell me how the linked list will look after 5 rotations. Then definitely it does not make sense, means no rotation is required. So as it is, you have to return head. So hence if k is 0, we have to return head, or else we will create the rotated array of size n and this much line of code to rotate the values and put in the rotated array. Once done, again we will start our current alias, correct, with index 0, and while our current become null, from our rotated array we will keep on reading the values and override the node value, current value, and we will return head. So in this case we have not rotated the linked list exactly, but we have rotated the values of the linked list. So that is why it was not in place solution event. Anyhow, when you will run this, definitely it will pass, and let's try to submit this code. Definitely it will get submitted, but O of 3n, correct? So let me show you how the in place code will look like. And you know what, the logic is very simple. When you will see this now, you will also get amazed ki this much simple. Okay, so logic says here is your head. Can I say that? Head is sitting here. Done. Now first we have to calculate length. Why? Because you just saw na k was is equal to 2 into 10 power 9. So we have to bring this in range. So for that we have to do modulo n, correct? So n is length of linked list. So first O of n time complexity you will take to calculate the length. Once done, you will be with your smallest k possible. So here k modulo 5 will give you 2 only. So k is equal to 2 fixed. Now what? You know na, if k is not 0, if k is 0, return head. But if k is not 0, if it is positive, for sure this is going to be connected here. Can I say that? So when you calculated the length, current was here, 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 here. Okay. So let's say current is here. Now what we will do now, current dot next we will connect with head. Let's do it. Okay. So it will become circular linked list. Current dot next will become connect to head. Still head is here because the variable like the pointer head we have not touched, so still this is known as head, and here is what our current is having. Done. Now we have, let's say we have n is equal to, length is equal to 5, correct? Length 5, k 2. So what do you think? 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 jump, 2 jump. If we will be standing here, if we are standing here, can I say ki connect this to null and make it new head? Can I say that? See, if you will disconnect this and you will attach it with null and you will say this is my new head, and if you will return it, what you will get? 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. But this is what I wanted, right? So what we have to do? Total length minus k, correct? N minus k minus 1 jumps. From where? From head. Okay, so from head, how many jumps? 5 minus 2 minus 1, 2 jumps. So 1 jump, 2 jump, and wherever I am present, just next to it I will save as new head. Okay, and this node I will connect its next to null and I will return this new head. Done. Very simple. So let's write the code for this. First we have to write the base case ki if our head is null, correct? Or else if head is not null, if head dot next is null, then also it does not make sense to rotate this. Okay, or k is equal to 0, then also it does not make sense. So we will return head as it is. Done. Now what we have to do, we will start our list node, let's say current. Okay, we will start from our head, and also we have to calculate length, right? So int len is equal to, we will initialize with 1 because currently we are standing at head, so that counts 1, right? So that's why length is equal to 1. Now while current dot next not null, okay, current dot next not null, we have to keep on moving our current is equal to current dot next. Along with that we have to do length plus plus. Okay, now after coming outside we have to check our new k modulo length, correct? K modulo length. Now after this we have to first check ki what if our k is equal to 0. If our k is 0, then it does not make sense to rotate, then to blindly we can return head. Or else what we have to do means rotation possible. You can see now current is stopped when its next was null. So can I say current is present at 5? Okay, so what we have to write? We have to write ki current dot next connect to head. So now you can see ki circular linked list has been created, correct? Circular linked list, yes. Now what we have to do? We have to take jumps. Now from where? From head. So again we have to start our new current, list node new current. It will start from head, correct? Now we have to take jumps. Let's say steps. Steps is equal to what? Length minus k. We have to run the for loop. For int I is equal to 1, I less than steps, because you remember now when steps was 3 we took only 2 jumps, right? When steps was 4 we will take minus 1 jump. So that's why now I plus plus. Once done, what we have to do? I is equal to 1. So we have to take jumps. So can I say we have to move our new current is equal to new current dot next. Yes, moved. We have moved our new current. Now after coming out of this for loop, I can say ki after taking 2 jumps from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 3, my new current is standing at 3, correct? And what will be my new head? Can I say 4? So list node new head will be what? New current dot next. Done. So we have stored our new head 4 in our variable, and now we have to connect new current dot next what? To null. Very good, correct? And now we can return what? Return new head. Very simple. Now let's run the code. Oh, my bad. Okay, and now let's try to submit this. So as you can see, it has been submitted. Now what is the time complexity? The time complexity is first O of n to calculate the length, correct? And further this for loop, and this for loop is nothing but n minus k. Okay, so in worst case what will happen? If k is very small, let's say 1, and n is very large, so that many jumps we will take, so we can say nearly O of n. So total time complexity is O of 2n, and space complexity is constant because we have not used any further space, but we have took constant space, means for variables, right? So that is why this was the fastest and optimized code. So this was a code in Java, and I hope you understood the reason and the logic of circular linked list. Okay. Now here is the code in C++ with the similar logic, similar approach. Okay. And here is the code in Python with the similar logic. So if you understood, then definitely you are eligible to go in the sheet and mark the next question from linked list of reversal pattern. And congrats if you understood this, and in case if you are submitting this on your own, means writing it, not just copy pasting. And I also hope you are making your own notes so that you can revise it later. Apart from this, if you have any doubt and any question, do let me know in the comment section, and please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel if not yet subscribed, because we are learning not just to code but how to build logic, and that too with pattern. And that's it for this video. Let's meet in another video with some more interesting questions, topics and patterns. Till then, keep learning, take care of yourself and your family.